let's talk about the, observation skill set that is really important. How can that, if you have an organization, right? How can that actually boost or be effective for your marketing and your sales team to have this skill?
It's great. I think observation is a really important skill for anyone who is in marketing or sales, because it allows you to develop more empathy for people. Data is extremely useful. We have a huge amount of data available to us as marketers these days, and that is a tremendously good thing. But I think where the real power with data comes in is when we can combine it with more human insights to create something that is unique, differentiated, it's a different perspective or a different take on the behavior that can help brands and retailers really set themselves apart. And so observation for anyone who's a researcher, anyone who's in marketing, anyone who is in sales, becomes really important because it helps you pick up on little nuances, on context, on those types of things that will enhance what you already know. And so I think when it comes to developing observation, it's workshops and presentations that I've been giving for years around how to improve your sense of observation. It really starts with setting aside your own preconceptions, because if you are looking at the behavior of someone or talking to someone and you have preconceptions about them, or you have prejudice about them, or you have some idea about what they're going to tell you, now you're filtering it through your own experience. Yeah. And so that can lead to some big misfires when it comes to marketing and communication. And it can cost companies time, money, effort that they just, everyone's tight these days. We don't want to be wasting a lot of marketing dollars. And so I think by using observation and layering that in with your data, that's going to allow you to really create that unique message or product or innovate in a way that is really relevant and different for your consumer.
Thanks for listening to this episode of Mind Innovation Podcast. New episodes are dropping bi-weekly, so make sure you're following wherever you get your podcast. You can find me on LinkedIn, search for Sanna Winding. You can also find me on YouTube, search for Mind Innovation, or go to my website, sannawinding.com or mindinnovation.com. Stay curious, keep learning.